Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 impact wrenches. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Vever Air Impact Wrench. Specifications: brand name Vever, free speed 10,000 RPM, material aluminum, working torque 470 ft-lb, max loosening torque 690 ft-lb, max torque 460 ft-lb, average air consumption 4.5 CFM, operation pressure 90 to 120 psi, origin mainland China. Item number 4 is DeWalt DCF 922 cordless brushless impact wrench. Specifications: brand name DeWalt, model number DCF 922, usage home DIY, power source battery, no load speed 2800 RPM, frequency 60 Hz, type impact wrench, power source electricity, DeWalt model DCF 922. As the item number 3, we've selected Torque brushless electric impact wrench. Specifications: brand name Babek, motor type brushless, power source battery, is _customized, yes, dimensions 1 to 2 inch, no load speed 7,000 RPM, rated input power 1500 W, frequency 50 to 60 Hz, rated voltage 20 V. Item number 2 is high torque electric impact wrench. Specifications: brand name Kamolee, model number DTW 700, motor type brushless, usage home DIY, power source battery, weight 4.2 kilograms, dimensions 33.5 by 25 by 10 centimeters, no load speed 7,000 RPM, max torque 1200 Nm, rated input power 1500 W, frequency 7700 IPM, rated voltage 18 V, power source electricity. On the top of our list at number 1 we have OneVin 1800 Nm Torque brushless electric impact wrench. Specifications: brand name OneVin, model number OneVin, motor type brushless, power source battery, weight 3.2 kilograms, dimensions as picture, no load speed 7,000 RPM, rated input power 1500 W, frequency 7700 IPM, rated voltage 18 V, power source electricity, max torque 1800 Nm.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.